Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Dylan here. Little bit of a different video today. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on TikTok Shop, okay? This video is not very rehearsed, but I wanted to just give you a little insight into how I make money on TikTok Shop and how you can too, okay? So basically, here in my house, it looks like TikTok Shop is all over the place, and I wanted to show you, this is, I'm not trying to sell you one of these products, but this is one of the products that I do sell. I have a ton of different products on here, and basically, I make little review videos on this, on videos like this. This is a fan that shoots out water, misters, and shoots out basically just a fan. But you can market it as an air cooler and people buy it. So this is another product that I have. This one's really good because Joe Rogan chews this. It's called NeuroGum. It has caffeine in it. This is actually something that I personally have started using, and this company sent me a bunch of this stuff. So basically all I do is make little videos with these products, and again, I just reach out to the companies. They sent me all this stuff for free, and you can reach out to them too, and they'll send you all this free junk. I mean, NeuroGum's actually sick. I've been using it like every day now. That's a sleep gummy, or a sleep mint. This is a Calm & Clarity mint called NeuroMints. But yeah, you just basically make a little video, post this on TikTok, and you'll get like $3 every time somebody buys it. And it's really, really cool. That's just how it works. This is another one, NeuroGum Mint. But I have tons of these products. Here's another product that I'm selling. This one only cost $1 on TikTok, so it's a really easy sale to make. And it's just a really dumb little game that you just push these buttons. It's for kids, basically. Here's another one. So I'm just showing you guys these products just so you guys can see an insight into what my life kind of looks like right now. And I have a link below. This is another pimple patch products. Pimple patch, you put it on your face. This costs like a couple bucks. And basically, you just make little videos with playing this game and post them on TikTok, and every time people buy it, you make money. And so I have a link below, guys, on how to start a TikTok Shop page and how to start making money with TikTok Shop. I currently am making a good amount of money. I've already made a few $1,000s in the past month on TikTok Shop. So when you click the link below, you'll get access to my program. This is one of my other things that I really like. And I have a 30-day free trial right now when you join, and you can join our group chat. This is one I really like a lot. It's a digital camera. And I personally love taking photos, so this one works for me, and it's like an old retro camera. This is like 25 bucks. On TikTok, you get like $3 every time someone buys it. What else am I selling? I'm also selling this too. It is a phone mount, but it also charges your phone. Honestly, I haven't opened this one yet, but somehow it's a wireless phone charger. I do not know how it works, but somehow it charges your phone without needing to plug it in. And these are all TikTok Shop products. This is a phone holder. You guys, like, and this is, I have so many more, it's crazy. These are whitening strips. So you just basically make videos showcasing these products, and you can make thousands of dollars. These are glasses. Sunglasses a company sent me, and you make money. Kiora Eyewear. You make money whenever somebody buys your product. Teeth whitening kit. So you see there's so many different products you can get, guys, and just start making videos with one, and hopefully one of them goes viral. And again, if you do not know how to get started, if you do not use TikTok, join my link below and I will show you exactly everything you need to get started. And the best thing about TikTok Shop, guys, is it's all free. It's all free to start. The only thing you'll really need to spend money on is these products, but you can get a lot of them for free. and request a sample. Here's another one that I'm currently promoting. This is a air humidifier. Basically, it's, I mean, honestly, it's pretty nice just to have in general. But this one, I believe you make like $6 every time someone buys it. And it's legit. Like that's actually a pretty trusted company. That like a lot of trusted companies are now on TikTok Shop. This one has actually been making people like millions of dollars. I'll just show you guys real quick. This is my bathroom because I was just making a video with it. Guru Nanda, this is oil pulling. This kind of went viral on TikTok. People have been making hundreds of thousands of dollars literally promoting this product. So that's just a little overview of all the products that I'm doing. And just to give you guys a little background, like every time there's a new way to make money on the internet and then I see people making tons of money on the internet, I try it out. That's just, I can't help myself. Like it's too fun for me not to try it out. Like I just think this is fun. Like why not try to do all these things? Try to make money selling this stuff. Like it's just fun. And especially when there's really no cost to get started. Like it's free to make a TikTok account. It's free to post videos. These are like, every time I post a video, I think of it as like a lotto ticket. Wouldn't you want to get a free lotto ticket? Well, every time you post a video, it's a lottery ticket. You're basically putting out, if it goes viral, you could make thousands of dollars on one single video that took 30 seconds. So again, if you want to join the TikTok Shop program that I have a 30-day free trial. So many people who are using TikTok Shop right now are making thousands, if not tens of thousands. Some people are even making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. It's crazy. There's people, like you can see the data, the numbers. People are making over 100K a month on TikTok. That's my goal. I haven't hit that yet, but that's my plan. I would love to because I know it's possible and I know that it's possible and I'm gonna try to do it. So anyways, really quick video, really quick breakdown on just TikTok Shop and kind of how I'm making money on TikTok Shop. So click the link below, join the TikTok Shop creator program. If not, try it out, you know, just try to make an account and see if you can make money. And it's, I think you guys can do it. And yeah, thanks for watching, take care. And just, you know, to get started, you don't need a following, you don't need any experience. You don't need to show your face at all. Actually, the ones that you don't show the face are even doing like good. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.